Hello everyone, this is my cabinet. Here, let me do this right. The cabinet. And I got lots of stuff in here. Got pasta, coffee, this stuff here, jalapeno, my Colombia, whatever that is. Oh, La Fiazza. Espresso di caffeinofo. This one's in every love and every box. Petco. Oh yeah, this one has got to go. There's no more of this, man. It's Beats. Stuff was good. It's like Kool-Aid, man. Super Beats, Energy Plus, man. Pretty cool, huh? This is garbage now. Made some coffee with the new coffee machine. See? Come on. But anyways, Milka. Pet leg. What? What's your problem, kid?
I took a shower.
Oh no. Oh, you did? That's why it's straight?
Yeah.
It looks different. Get this one. This one's really old. Oh no, it's still good. Next year expires.
What's that?
This cocoa, man.
Oh.
You gotta use it for like tiramisu or fudgy cocoa brownies or something. You know?
Yeah.
It's still good. Cocoa. Cocoa. What does it say? The Sacco Pantry. I remember how much this cost a few years back. It was like a quarter. I wanted to get rid of that stuff. Come on, man. Are you serious? God. Come on, man. There we go. Oh yeah, this one. Let me get this guy because still some in there from Aldi's. Now it's expensive. Okay, here we go. What else do I have in here? That's it. What? What are they eating? I don't understand. Mama's eating?
No.
Oh, God help me. Yeah, I thought I had something else in there. Oh, well. Over. Oh my God, that's cool. They're in the box, dude. Hey, little guy, you're so bad. Come on, Cat, I don't get it. You want to do this part? Fine. I'll do it. They're in the box. It's so cute. What? Yeah, that's what we're saying. Yeah. Look at that, man. Put the video right there so you can. Hope I'm getting it though. Video's on the box. I think I'm getting them, right?
Maybe.
Let me see when I see it.
Probably, if it doesn't get it, it probably get the floor or something.
The floor box, yeah.
They're over here. I'm dancing.
Yeah, I should do it the other way so I can make sure.
Yeah.
I like Lovey. I can't believe it. It's so big, mommy. How's it coming? Do it again? I want to see how you walk. What if it doesn't stick anymore?
I don't know.
I'll put the stickers back, Don.
Yeah, back to that.
Are you done though? After
No, once you cut it cut.
Oh, okay, alright.
Let me try.
What about the other way?
No, this one is a start.
You're fine? Okay.
I like the kind of.
I'm doing a video. Oh yeah, it's
I don't. What?
it's steady and I like to see the camera. Where it's
Oh yeah, what about you? Did you get you too?
yeah.
Oh yeah, good, thank you.
It's steady me
No,
drinking.
uno quit.
Oh, maybe if I could stretch it out?
No, this is a long.
Okay, forget it.
So what? I wish you came with a bunch of them. A bunch of them.
What? All the pads, yeah, they don't do that. They want you to buy it.
No. Aku udah salah weekend ada bro.
You gotta write the name of the whatever this is, or Salto and pads. Salto pads, man.
Gimana orang masuk ke makinari tapi
What? Oh,
begini
it's so
baru
big.
keluar waktu ke sambil dah
How is that? Never feeling so now. It's only 5.
sudah resto.
Yeah.
I know
They're
this
eating dry
job.
food.
Oh jangan mancar, itu tak nada suatu saat. Setu saya kaya naik nada
Yeah.
bisa dapat satu dah.
What about the fur guy? He's eating the pancakes. That guy's okay too. Hey, baby.
Hi, man. Here's good, man.
Yeah.
Joe, these last bits I'm gonna drink in a second.
Ya, kita buang.
There and the beaches.
Yeah, no more peach, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, you got more?
Nanti kan pada no.
Yeah, I know.
Not
Oh, that's pears, mom. Peaches.
the picture to go.
Yeah.
This one connected.
No, it's almost it's dude, what?
Oh, sweet. There's the left. See you later, man.
See you later.
Have a good
This
day.
is back and everything.
Joey, bring it upstairs. Oh, no, go upstairs. We're not coming back now.
Okay. We're both eating the pancake over
You
there.
know what's funny? When you go upstairs, like, one of them jumped down.
Yeah.
Scooby started chasing them barking at them.
Oh, yeah, they always does that.
It was, they were
How
like,
about it's getting messy like this, man?
and the kid was like, he was like,
Yeah, making the hissing noise.
he was like stopping hissing and doing it, then stopping and doing
That's
it.
funny, man. Look at pictures of those guys now.
Oh.
Hey, little buddies. Who's that?
Finish.
Yeah, you're gonna have to wait now. Hey, babies. Oh, God, you scared that guy, man. Why would you do such a thing?
I need to.
You just moved, I know.
This.
You know, this guy's eating. Well, he needs to eat, please, man. He's the one that's sick, too, man. Where's the other guy at? He's down there somewhere? I don't know. Hey, babies.
Oh, there he is, he ran.
Furball.
My stomach hurts from all the water.
Na tu hai visto tutta bottiglia.
What do you mean?
Ma non deve avere più per ora.
I put more water in it.
It's okay, lascialo stare.
I don't
Is
have
it-
no hiccups.
Pancake. It's still in the box, man. I should put the box over there for them.
Taglio bene.
Watch out for the guy in the box. You're so close. Orangey, what you doing? Okay, hold on a second, Mom. Oh, here he comes, man. He's out of the box. Would you stop, man?
No, Mama, don't let me.
I'm glad this guy's doing okay, man.